Come on. You want some? Come on. There it is. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay. Let's see if you're willing to come down and get a bit closer to me then. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. Come on. You can look around all you want. You've done this before. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know you're a bit worried, but I feed yous every day. Come on. Work your way down. Come on. Come on, you know I'm not hurting you. There you go. There you go. Now there's some food over there. Come on. Hello. You're new. You're a new fella. You're pretty young. Yeah. You a new bird? You from around here? Hey? What's this here? Here. What? Well. Hey, you're a pretty boy. You can keep watching. I'm not doing anything. Come on. Ah. The pest. You leave the bird alone. You understand? Junior? Hey? Puss, puss. Ah, feel the love. You leave the birds alone, asshole. Come on. You leave the birds alone. Come on, boys. Yeah, it's okay. Come on. Piss off, cat. Come on. I'm standing between you and the cat. Come and get a feed. Come on. You can see the cat. Come on then. Come on. Right, we'll walk away. Come on, puss. Come on, puss. Let's see if he comes there. Come on, puss. There you are. That's all there is to it. Try and get closer. The cat keeps rubbing up against my legs. I don't know if it wants to stay away. So I'm talking about animals don't have feelings, but they do have instincts. pretty sure this bird knows that I mean it no harm, but its instincts kick in when a cat is around, who comes back and does the same thing. Go on, shoo. Shoo. Go on, shoo. Piss off. Yeah, well, your claw got stuck and you're being a pest. Hello? Hello? I'm no more than... Well, I'm less than a metre away from this animal. This wild animal. The cat ain't gonna hurt you. He ain't gonna hurt you. Okay? Let's see how close we can get. Fully zoom out. Alright, that's a zoom in. Pretty boy. That's a zoom out. I'm less than a metre away. Its eye is completely on the cat. It's not fussed by me at all. These birds usually, I can get them to land on my shoulder, on my arm. His eye is firmly on the cat though. I don't think he's bothered by me at all. Okay, that's it. Like I say, I'm less than a metre away. He's fully concerned by the animal that's at my feet. Which is understandable because cats kill birds. But not this cat. As far as I'm aware, it's killed a few animals in its time. But that's life. Okay, man, you enjoy your meal. See you.